So let us see how we can define the event. So the event normally are the actions. Events are actions or occurrences that happens in the systems. So that is to change in the state of an object is known as event. And in HTML there are the various events which represents the some activity is performed by the user or it may be by the browser. When the JavaScript code is included in HTML, the JavaScript react over these kind of the events and those can be allowed to execute accordingly. So for example, we have the click events, just click, mouse click or onclick. Click over the browser means that is going to add just code, JavaScript code, which will execute the task to be performed on the events. So normally in the world of programming, HTML events are something that happens to the HTML elements. Means we are using some different kind of the elements. We are using functions or many more. When JavaScript is used in HTML pages, it can react to these events, these kind of the events. And now we'll see what are some different type of the events in a JavaScript and how do they work in according to the list of events. So these are the list of events. Some of them we have listed here. That is onClick. When mouse click on an element. onmouseover, when the cursor of the mouse comes over the element. And onmouseout, when the cursor of the mouse leaves the element. Mouse down element, that is mouse down event, when mouse button is pressed over the element. Onmouse up, when the mouse button is released over the element. Means according to the kind of the program that is used in that pages. Onmouse move, when the mouse movement takes place. These are the few events are listed. There are the many more examples in a JavaScript. You can practice according to the user requirement. Actually, in a JavaScript, event may provide a dynamic interface to a web pages. These events are connected to element in the some kind of the document object model, that is a DOM. And these events by default use the some bubbling propagation, means that is we can upward the DOM from children to parent. In a previous some sessions, I have shown the hierarchical diagram, that is a DOM diagram. In that we have some relations to the parents, and child have some relations to the parents. Means the elements are going to use in a program that is related to the objects. Which kind of the objects we are using in a JavaScript. And actually events either maybe inline or external types. So with the help of JavaScript, we can detect when the certain events happen and that can cause the things to occur in a response to those events. So I have one sample example. That is let us see with a simple example onclick in a JavaScript function.
Hello students, continue with the event handling program in JavaScript. Let's have one example, that is onmouseover, that is Mouseover event. There are the lots of events in JavaScript. We have seen the very basic, that is a onClick for every previous programs, in every previous programs. So let us start with the Mouseover event with the example, that is I am going to start. So the simple tags I am going to add So here I will add event in a JavaScript. So I will add the heading that is the mouse over. So these are the basic requirements for this program. If you want to see now, I am going to add the script tag, that is a script type equal to, this is a common syntax using in every program of JavaScript, that is a text JavaScript script type equal to text / JavaScript. Then we are going to start with the function. I will give mouse over. That is mouse over event. Then have the block of function. I'm going to add the alert function. You can have the printf statement like document.write method. So I will add the simple pop-up box, and I'm having the message like this is the text I'm going to display. Then I will close the function block, then close the script tag script. Then I will add paragraph, then onmouseover, equal to the mouse over event I have taken. This will take here. So this is a function name, so I am going to declare in the paragraph. Then allow to move mouse. Then I will close the paragraph tag. Then I will close the required tags. So here the body will close, then the last parent tag that is going to close. Now we'll see the output for the current program event, that is mouse over event. I will give any name of the file. Let's see the output for the current program, that is mouse over event. So this is a output for the current. When I move the mouse over the text, it is going to display the message with the alert box. As we know, for the alert box we have only one button, OK button, and the messages which we have given. Now we'll see the next event, that is focus event. For this I will modify the current program as we require. Just I'm going to modify according to the event. The next event is focus event. So I will add here I will remove these because on Mouseover we are completed. Then I am going to add the event, that is focus event. So I will write just differently. Here I am going to have the input button, input type equal to text. Then I am going to take the ID input focus ID as a on focus, sorry, input, not input, on focus, on focus. This is a on focus event I am going to include in a program, that is focus event in a JavaScript, just declaring the function, then we have the script. So already we have the script tag. So this is a script. Then the function here, the different, that is focus event. Here I am going to add this focus event. This is a focus event is going to include. So here for the focus event I am going to include the document.write method. So by defining the ID input type and the ID we are defining as a on focus, so we are accessing the elements of that ID. So we are writing a document.get element, get element by ID. Then we have the method of accessing, that is input type, that is input 1. Now this can be accessed by the style. We can have the style dot background equal to something. Suppose I am going to give aqua. When I focus that button, so it is going to change. So now let's see the output of the current modification. The event is what? Focus event. So this is a JavaScript event Mouseover, sorry, focus. Just I will modify the program. Because of the text we are entering something here. Enter here. I will write as a heading. Then input type we have taken text ID. Here we have to take input 1. So ID is a input 1. Then we have a on focus event. Just I will modify accordingly. Now it is going to display. So when I enter into the box, that is a background style is applied. So this is a method of focus. When you focus the input text box, the background color is going to change. So this is a second type of the event, that is focus event. Now if I see another type of the event, that is Keydown. So I will just modify the same code with the event, that is Keydown event. So here I'm going to add the here. Just I want to change one key down. In place of on focus, I'm going to add one key down. Then here I want to change the name of the event, that is Keydown event. Now here I want to add this name. In place of the function name. So this is a Keydown event. Then document.get element by id input 1, and here I want to change this style, and here the one more pop-up box alert is going to add, that is alert. I will add press the key. Now just modified the code for the event, that is Keydown event, and now let's see the output. It's not working. Just a minute for modification. Here I have added function Keydown, document.get element by id input 1, alert, and here input type text I have taken, id is input 1, one key down, sorry, here onkeydown, then here Keydown event is going to add it. Now we'll see, this is the event, onkeydown. So when I press the key down, this is going to display. So this is the output for the third event, that is keydown event. So in this way there are the lots of events in JavaScript, as we are using according to the application of that type of the event. So this is how we have seen the 3 types of the events in JavaScript. So thank you so much.